Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to make a fresh and delicious red-eye fish sashimi. The flesh of red-eye fish is tender and it has a unique taste, making it perfect for sashimi. Let's get started. First, we need to prepare fresh red-eye fish. It's best to choose fish that was caught the same day to ensure the freshest taste. The other ingredients we need include soy sauce, rice vinegar, wasabi, minced garlic, chopped green onions, and lemon. When cleaning the red-eye fish, start by removing the scales, then cut open the belly to remove the innards. Next, cut off the head and tail, leaving only the fish body. Carefully use a knife to split open the fish body and remove the bones. Then, use a sharp knife to cut the red-eye fish into thin slices. The slices should be even, about 0.5 centimeter thick. Try to maintain a smooth cutting motion to avoid damaging the fish's fibers. Arrange the sliced fish neatly on a plate, and you can arrange them to your liking. You can also add some fresh lemon slices and chopped green onions around the edges to add color and fragrance. When making sashimi, soy sauce and rice vinegar are essential ingredients. We mix a small amount of soy sauce with rice vinegar to create a flavorful dipping sauce. You can also add some wasabi and minced garlic to enhance the flavor. And there you have it. This fresh and delicious red-eye fish sashimi is ready. Before eating, dip it into the sauce you just prepared, and it will taste even more flavorful.